Chef Ricardo cooking show. Today is Jerk Thursday. Some of the fans them was asking me about jerk chicken ideas and tips and recipe. So I just decided to just do a video for them one more time again and chuck it on the YouTube channel. Make the fans them happy. Anyway, just enjoy the recipe and leave your comments below. And tell a friend and a friend know about Chef Ricardo. You know, a lot of kids gone back to boarding school and want to learn how to cook Jamaican jerk chicken. This come in handy for them also. Enjoy it and see you next time. Lovely and nice one. Welcome back today. Welcome back. You know what happened? I can't imagine, you know what I mean? I was walking on the road today and someone stopped me and said, Chef Ricardo, man, I've been asking you for jerk chicken all along. And I said, there's a lot of video on my YouTube channel with jerk chicken. He said, oh no, I need you to make it back, man. I said, okay, alright. I know I can do it. But this recipe is just a very easy, simple recipe. Anyway, we gotta just name it as Thursday jerk chicken recipe today. I just brought 3 pieces of chicken thigh, and as you can see, I removed the skin from it. Look, no skin on my chicken, guys. I'm always removing the skin from my chicken, and I wash it off into some vinegar, or you can use lime juice. We're gonna do some jerk chicken, oven jerk chicken, and today is Jerk Thursday. Jerk Thursday jerk chicken is the best from Chef Ricardo. First thing what we need to do is put on some coarse pepper. Coarse pepper. I'm gonna make this one very easy for the fans them. Cause the fans them love my video them and they love everything while I go on. So we're just gonna make life a little bit more easier for them at home. Then we're gonna put some olive oil. Look at that, olive oil on the chicken, guys. Nice one, isn't it? So Jerk Thursday, that's how you're gonna be starting off. Then 1 teaspoon of, this is some mixed herb, and I know you can get mixed herb at any local shop. Then smoked paprika, teaspoon of smoked paprika for color, lovely color. Some chicken season, ½ teaspoon of chicken season. We're gonna use some jerk season. I'm just using the one which I'm already brought from the shop, so I'm just gonna use this one. So if you're in the local area, local supermarket or local shop, let's go there and buy some jerk season. We're gonna put 1 teaspoon. Nice one. Make sure you got the gloves for safety. Make sure you wash your hand when you finish, although you're gonna wear your gloves. You never know if the gloves can be burst. Then marinate up your chicken. This one is just easy for the fans, you know what I mean? Cause some school youth just wanna learn how to do easy thing at their home, and them say, Chef Ricardo, I just want you to show me. You know what I mean? Jerk Thursday, very easy for the kids them. And for the college and for the college student, back to school, a lot of kids going back to school and all these things. I want to cook, some boarding kids want to cook at home and all these things. So that's why we're there. If you notice, I just make the butcher, slice the chicken and just a couple pieces on it. Time well, but as you can see, really nice. But you can do this from the day before and put it down in your fridge and make it soak. But look at this. Get an oven tray and lay it inside of it like this. Alright? Lovely and nice. Then look at my little secret recipe then. What we're gonna do, not because a Jamaican, we are Jamaican and we always cook jerk chicken, and a lot of people always say, oh, these only can cook Jamaican jerk chicken only. But this recipe is amazing recipe, guys. Look at this now. We're gonna use a little bit of sweet chili sauce on top of it like this. Alright? Bring a lovely flavor to the jerk chicken. Alright? Then after we do that, let's put a little bit of honey. Lovely and nice. Use a spoon and a simple base it like this, guys, like a painting it. The beauty is this can serve with anything. So as I can see, now we're gonna put this inside of the oven and we're gonna be baking this for roughly 25 to 30 minutes. Let's sprinkle a little bit more of the mixed herb on top of it like this, because the mixed herb will definitely bring in a lovely flavor to it. So we're gonna bake this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes and gas mark 8. For using a different kind of oven, 165 or 175 is good for 25 to 30 minutes in the oven. Easy recipe. Anyone can do this at home. You know what I mean? The fans them ask for it and I'm just doing it. Sometimes I send out the link to the video them and to the fans them and they even watch them. They say they want to see me do one and all these things. But they don't know Chef Ricardo is there for everyone. Welcome back with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Jerk Thursday. Enjoy the recipe from Chef Ricardo. Just take the chicken from the oven, guys, and as you can see, all the chicken looking so lovely and nice. Just imagine how it look on the plate. Thank you so much for watching the show and stay tuned. As I say, Jerk Thursday. Hopefully you guys like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. It's just ideas and a recipe for share with the fans them. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere from Chef Ricardo.